The goal with Mazda CX-90 was to create the quietest interior possible from the ground up. This required challenging convention and reducing and eliminating noise pathways whenever possible. The chassis, structure, and engine all contribute to realizing this objective, and the story builds with the approach seen throughout the interior. Actively eliminating noise reduces fatigue on long trips and creates the ideal environment for the sound system to shine. Our attention to refinement reflects our human-centric approach to vehicle design. Now, traditionally, the speakers that produce low frequencies are placed in the lower portion of the front door panels. However, this requires cutting a hole in the inner sheet metal, which creates an opening for noise to enter. Moving these speakers eliminated a significant noise pathway, making the interior quieter. To do this, Mazda designers created a self-contained enclosure for each front woofer and placed them at the lower portion of the cowl at either end of the dash. Consequently, the bass is richer and more extended. The tweeters are located at the base of the A-pillars, and the speakers responsible for the mid-range are located in the upper trim panels of the front and rear doors. Placing these speakers closer to the occupants enhances the perceived accuracy and spaciousness of the sound. Vehicles equipped with a Bose sound system also benefit from 3 additional mid-range speakers as well as a powered subwoofer. The result of these efforts is extraordinary musicality in virtually every Mazda CX-90.